it's me, MLP Lover, and I decided to record this video because YOLO. Today is a very special day because this is my day for this collab channel, 720 stars, yeah. And I feel bad that I couldn't really do an introduction earlier, so I'm doing it now. Anyways, my name is MLP Lover, as you know. I have 376 subscribers. I think I'm the third most subscribed channel. So it's like Princess Lena, MLP Star Swirl, me, and so on. So yeah, my favorite color is blue. My favorite animal is probably a cat or a bunny. My interests are music, art, My Little Pony, and LPS, Little Pet Shop. Yeah. Ow, I just hurt myself. My mascot is Sky Wishes, which is a Europe exclusive pony. This is why you probably don't see her as much as you do like Flitterheart and Lily Blossom and blah blah blah. And yeah, so this girl is exclusive, and I'm filming in this little playground that I have in my backyard. And yeah, it's really fun. And I'm wearing like black shorts, and I'm super pale. God. So yeah. Wood. Sorry, I had to show you my disgusting leg. So yeah, this was me, MLP Lover, and